World Race Germany continues at Schleizer Dreieck. Coming up next. Hello once again, slot car race fans. Welcome back to our final race in World Race Germany, where we are racing Schleizer Dreieck, which looks like this. And if you would like to build this amazing track, go over and check it out on our Patreon account. I'll leave a link in the description below. So, we will be racing our final race here tonight. It should be quite exciting. Hopefully the person you've been rooting for the whole time will actually win. So before we begin, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with all your friends and family. And stay tuned to the very end, where we will be talking about a special giveaway that we are doing here at Monster Hobbies. So without further ado, let's go down to the races. Okay, so here we are tonight with just three of us. Best racers in the building.
Still what? 2 minutes. Holy cow. 40 laps. Well, this is smaller. Yeah. spin it for me? There's the gun.
So here's the standings for last night. I came in with 32 points, and miraculously Kevin and Glenn tied at 60 points each. So now the main question is, who won the league? Well, let's go have a look. And now here are the league standings. So in 6th place is Josh with 56 points. In 5th is Mark with 211. I'm in 4th with 252. Howard is in 3rd with 259. Kevin is in 2nd with 345. And Glenn is in 1st with 378.
And wasn't that a very exciting race last night when we had our only 3 guys? Really close between Glenn and Kevin, but Glenn won out overall. So congratulations on your first ever victory here at Monster Hobbies, Glenn. And we sure hope you will be around next week when we will start our GT3 race series. So now let's talk about this special offer. I am giving away this amazing Carrera tow truck. It's got a dropping gate. You can hook your cars onto it. It's got lights and sound and a horn. It is a really cool thing. I want to give this away to somebody. But before I do that, we want to try to get our YouTube channel grown up to 5,000 subscribers. And we're pretty close to 4,000 right now. Still quite a ways away. But anyway, we would like to give this away to somebody. So go and check out the video coming up here pretty soon that will take you directly to our contest because we want you to be there. So once again, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And remember, if you want to build this track, it's over on Patreon, link below in the description. Click there, check it out. And until next time, happy slot car racing.